My name is JP Alvarez and welcome to my blog. Today, I will exploring the world of e-commerce. The purpose of this blog is to learn how online shopping platforms work, discover their useful features, and understand how e-commerce is changing the way people buy and sell products. For this activity, I explored Shopee. As I browsed the platform, I found thousands of products, including electronics, fashion, home appliances, school supplies, beauty products, and groceries. The products that caught my attention were cell phones, wireless earbuds, power banks, solar lights, and backpacks because they are affordable, useful, and have high customer ratings. I noticed that Shopee is very user-friendly. It has search bar, categories, product recommendation, flash sales, vouchers, and customer reviews. This feature helps buyers find product quickly and make smart purchasing decisions. Shopee also provides different payment methods such as cash on delivery, GCash, ShopeePay, online banking, and debit or credit cards. For delivery, buyers can choose different courier services and they can easily track their orders through the app. After exploring the platform, I watched a YouTube video about e-commerce. From the video, I learned that e-commerce allows businesses to operate online, making products available to customers anywhere and anytime. I also learned that customer satisfaction, secure payment system, and fast delivery are important factors in building trust with online shoppers. There are three most important lessons I learned. First, e-commerce makes shopping more convenient because customer can shop anytime without visiting a physical store. Second, customer reviews and rating help buyers make informed decision before purchasing a product. Third, online businesses have more opportunities to reach the customer through digital platforms and social media. I believe e-commerce has changed the way people buy and sell because it saves time, offers more choices, and makes shopping more accessible. In this course, I am excited to learn how online business attract customers and how digital marketing helps business grow. Thank you for watching my blog. Have a wonderful day. God bless.